ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder, is a condition where millions of children in the world are suffering from it, where there are three main symptoms. One is inattention, second is hyperactivity, and the third is impulsive behavior. If these three symptoms are there, this video is there for you to watch, where there are some probable homeopathic remedies to get you and your family out of this confusion and this disease. Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you, anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health. And I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind. Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to a very new video on attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This is a chronic condition which is faced by millions of children around the world, and in these changing times, in the changing environment, this anomaly or disease is taking new heights. Today I will tell you some of the indicative medicines, homeopathic natural medicines, to get rid of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Or first, let's know or understand what is ADHD. ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is a disorder among the children which is visible at the age of 3, where there are three important marked symptoms. First is inattention, second is hyperactivity, and the third is impulsiveness. If these three things are persisting in a child, you can think it to be ADHD. ADHD is of three types. First is primarily inattention, second is primarily hyperactive, and third is both inattention and hyperactive. Symptoms for ADHD include the performance of the child degrading in the class, the child not paying attention in the class, the child is impulsive, fighting with others, the child is restless, he tend to be restless, can't sit in one place. The child seems to not listening the person who is talking and not paying attention to that. That is somewhat ADHD or attention deficit hyperactive disorder. The causes of ADHD are not yet known, but the scientists link it to the genetics and the environmental factors. But friends, where there is problem, there is solution. There are well indicated probable homeopathic natural medicines which may help your child and the family to get rid of the trauma of ADHD. The medicines and the symptoms mentioned in this video are for your reference purpose only. Please consult a qualified physician nearby to start the treatment. So friends, let's start the journey for the probable homeopathic natural medicines for ADHD. A symptom associated with ADHD is that the child is abusive in nature and very cranky. If that is the case, then the drug of choice for this thing is natrum muriaticum. Patient could be given natrum muriaticum 1 dose weekly. If the patient is cranky, nothing can console him. The more you console, the more he will cry. If that is the symptom, then natramur is the drug of the choice. Top homeopathic medicine for ADHD is the medicine for the symptom where the child is unable to pay the attention. The child can't pay attention to his studies, the child can't pay attention to the elders, what they are saying. And the top homeopathic remedy for this case is Baryta carbonicum. Baryta carbonicum 30 potency, 2 drops 3 times per day could be given if the patient is facing ADHD where there is lack of concentration, lack of understanding. Baryta carb is the drug of the choice. A symptom associated with ADHD is patient doesn't listen. You can't console him. He is very irritable and very hyperactive. That is the case. Then the drug of the choice for this is Antim crudum. Antim crude 30 potency, 2 drops 3 times could be given. This medicine may help the child. Another symptom comes when the patient having ADHD can't concentrate on studies, can't read. If this is the case, then too there is homeopathic medicine, and the medicine is Lycopodium clavatum. Patient could be given Lycopodium clavatum in 30 potency, 2 drops 3 times per day. If the patient is having ADHD, he or she can't concentrate on reading, writing or studies. Patient is having bloating in the lower abdomen. Patient has desire for sweets and there is worm manifestation and there is aggravation in the afternoon. If these are the symptoms, then Lycopodium clavatum could be the choice for ADHD. A symptom associated with ADHD is patient doesn't want to get touched, doesn't want to get carried, doesn't want to be talked to. If this is the case and the patient is suffering from ADHD, then the good medicine for this is Cinna. Cinna 200 potency, 2 drops 3 times per day could be given if the patient is irritable and he doesn't want to get touched off. Cinna patient has also worm manifestation associated with it as a symptom. One symptom associated with ADHD is abusiveness. The patient tends to be abusive. If this is the case, abusive and irritable. If this is the case, then the best medicine for this is Chamomilla. Chamomilla 200 potency could be given 2 drops 3 times per day if the patient is very restless, abusive and irritable. The patient has to be carried on the lap so that he could keep quiet. If this is the case, then Chamomilla is the drug of choice. Another symptom associated with ADHD is striking and biting. The patient with ADHD tends to bite other with his teeth or strike other. His behavior is impulsive in nature. If this is the case, then drug of the choice for this symptom is Hyoscyamus niger. Patient could be given Hyoscyamus niger 30 potency, 2 drops 3 times per day if the patient is impulsive and he tries to strike and bite the opponent. Hyoscyamus could be drug of the choice. Another symptom is patient with ADHD tries to tear the things. He tries to tear the papers, run through the papers. If this is the case, then the drug of the choice for this case is Veratrum album. Patient could be given Veratrum album 30 potency 3 times per day. This medicine will help him get rid of ADHD. One symptom associated with ADHD is restlessness. Patient tends to be restless, can't sit at one place. If this is the symptom, then the drug of the choice for this symptom is Tarantula hispanica. Tarantula hispanica 30 potency, 2 drops 3 times per day could be given in the case of hyperactivity and restlessness. this medicine will help the patient. Friends, one symptom of ADHD is patient has very angry outbursts. He is sitting normal, suddenly there is outburst of anger. If this is the case, then the drug of the choice for this case is tuberculinum. Patient could be given a single dose of tuberculinum and then wait for 48 hours to see the change. And most probably you will see the change. Friends, these are some of the medicine of ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Medicines are effective, but I humbly request you to please consult a qualified physician before taking any of the medicine according to your individualization of your symptoms or of the symptoms of the patient. If you have any confusion regarding this video or query, please do write us in the comment box. We will try to help you out. I will wait for your comments about this video because this is an important topic where millions of children are suffering from this disease. I request you to please share the video so that this video reaches to the person who really requires it. Maybe this video could help someone, could console someone, and could save their family from further destruction. Thank you, friends, for joining us. We will meet you soon at a different topic. Namaste.